Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Twitter account with Twitter support, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Twitter login page. If you cannot access your account, click on the Forgot Password link. Enter the email address or phone number linked to your Twitter account. Check your email or SMS for a verification code sent by Twitter. Retrieve the code and enter it on the Twitter website. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you create a new password, attempt to log in. If you still cannot access your account, visit the Twitter Help Center. In the Help Center, scroll down and find File a Support Request. Select I can't access my account. Fill out the required information in the support form. Be specific about your account issue and provide any relevant details. Include screenshots if applicable to support your request. Submit the form and wait for a response from Twitter support. Once your request is addressed, follow any instructions provided by Twitter. If necessary, follow up with Twitter support for further assistance. Patience is key, as recovery times may vary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.